Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to invite people to your team in Canva so we can collaborate on designs in real time. Adding team members allows us to share access, streamline workflows, and work together more efficiently. On your Canva dashboard, we can invite people by clicking Share in the upper right corner. Once we see that, just click Share. Here, we can add people. Click the plus button to add people, and then enter their email address or name if they have already been added. For example, let's invite user bozedemail.com. Once we press enter, it will send an invitation to their email, letting them know we want to collaborate with them. After they confirm the invitation, they will be added to our project. And that's all it takes to invite people to our team in Canva. We can now collaborate, share designs, and manage projects together with ease.